quality. His knowledge included knowledge of the Creator, which we call faith or Islam, as well as the knowledge he would need to inhabit and master the earth. All kinds of worldly knowledge which are included in this. Adam knew the names of everything. Sometimes he talked to the angels, but they were preoccupied with worshipping Almighty Allah. Therefore Adam felt lonely. One day he slept, and when he awoke he found near his head a woman gazing at his face with beautiful tender eyes. The angels asked him her name. He replied, Eve. Hawa means living things. They asked, why did you call her Eve? Adam said, because she was created of me and I am a living being. www.is